This apartment is built in the 60s. It consists of 8 studio units. When we found this place, it was an old studio unit. The bed was in the living area. We saw the potential to change it. The first thing was to remove the kitchen out and turn it into a proper one-bedroom. The idea was to create a hotel home hybrid. We wanted to create a minimal, clean, luxe interiors to this space. So naturally, I selected oak timber floors, birch plywood for the wall and ceiling. This creates a feeling of that you're in a cabin space. For the kitchen, we decided to contrast the birch plywood with black metal countertops with perforated screens. This is to enable you to see what's behind it and store all the kitchen appliances, the cutleries, the fridge and the washer dryer. We decided to create a custom-made light for the kitchen. During the night time, you could probably use it as a statement piece. Because this space is compact at 29 square meters, we need to find space to store all our things. So the idea was to create a wall of joinery to hide all our items behind it. So we managed to put in a laundry, we have pantry, and then we managed to put in the microwaves. We made a conscious effort to make sure that the doors are hidden, so it's a push-open system to minimize the visual clutter to the space. For the bedrooms, we decided to raise the floor to house the services from the kitchen, and we also decided to put the bed on the plinth just to create a seamless transition of the space to make it feel bigger. And we decided to integrate the wardrobe and the shelving space above the bed to maximize the space usage. We wanted to create a generous ensuite space for the users, and the way to enforce it was to use the gridded tiles from floor to ceiling. It gives you a perception of that the space is almost infinite. We keep the materials correlated to each other in the space, so you find that when we use black metal for the kitchen, black metal is actually used for the ensuite as well. The color palette that we choose for this space is pretty simple. It's just birch plywood, black metal, and white tiles, and you find that it's just consistent throughout the space.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Never Too Small channel by clicking on the logo and the notification bell to receive updates on our latest episode.